Hi there, it's Matt from Discount Displays, and today I'm going to be showing you a video on how to apply our one-way window vinyl. Use a lint-free cloth and alcohol to clean the area. Use some tape to secure your window vinyl in place, making sure that it is straight and level, as this will help you apply it later. Carefully peel back one side of the vinyl and cut away the backing so that you have a clear area to place your vinyl down. Using a squeegee, carefully lay down the vinyl, working your way from the inwards out towards the right, making sure not to get any air bubbles. Do not worry too much if you do get some air bubbles. Due to the nature of this design, you can push them out very easily. The one-way window vinyl looks fantastic when applied, and from the inside you can very clearly see out without obstructing the view. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you do have any questions about the product, you can follow the link down to our website below, or give our team a contact on the number you see on screen now. The number's also down in the link. Please like, subscribe, and look out for any more videos. We hope to hear from you soon.